All right, let's get started. First, grab the photo you're going to use. I've got a picture of the Acropolis. Now what we want to do is duplicate it. We're going to set one of them as a background. Now, grab your magnifying glass element. I'm going to speed this up so we get there quicker. And we want to size and orient the magnifying glass onto the picture. Now grab a circular frame. We're going to lay this on top of the magnifying glass. It's important that you put the frame on top of the glass. Size it up. And then we're going to add the second picture into the frame. And now we'll just make it as large as we can. Oops, we want to do it from the crop, not from the actual external part of the picture. There you go. And now you'll have to size this multiple times so you can really get the blow up. But don't be afraid to zoom out and really get it big here. All right, there you have it. That's looking pretty good. Now you can group these together so that they're easy to move around. And I'd set it just slightly offset from the original. Something that's nice to do here now is to kind of highlight or circle where you took the original from, so they know the part that's magnified. There you go. Move it to the back just so it's not in the middle of your magnifying glass. All right. And what do you think? There's the final picture.